Want to build a bigger abs workout today? I'll show you the best exercises to grow your muscles fast. Let's get started. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Our first waist exercise is the bottoms up waist. Let's start our core transformation with crunches. Exhale as you lift and squeeze your abs. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving on to alternate heel touchers waist. Keep your legs straight and lower them slowly for maximum tension. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next up is the alternate heel touchers side waist. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core the entire time. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. Now let's do our bike waist. This is great for your obliques and waist definition. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on each side. Exercise 5 is the sit-up waist. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Moving to reverse crunch waist. Focus on bringing your elbow to the opposite knee. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next is the pseudo planche push-ups core focus. Pull the dumbbells close to your body and drive with your elbows. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now for plank to pike waist. This is great for shoulder stability. Maintain a slow and controlled tempo for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Finally, we have the plank lateral raise waist. Finish strong and keep your core tight until the end. Thanks for watching and see you next time.